Canon RF 100 to 400mm f5.6-8 IS USM is the 400mm I actually take everywhere. You're at the hide, perfect light, kingfisher hovering right there. You lift the camera and feel the empty strap because the proper lens is still in the car. Again. Type guilty if you've missed more shots from not carrying them from bad settings. Why are we still punishing ourselves like this? That quiet suffocation every time the moment happens and you're standing there with a kit lens? Bleeding opportunities because reach always comes with pain. What if true 400mm felt lighter than your coffee mug and you never had to choose between shots and your spine again? Stay, I'm handing you the air right now. Then I threw the Canon RF 100 to 400mm f5.6-8 IS USM on my R7, and the struggle just stopped. 635 grams that vanishes on your neck all day. 6-stop coordinated IS that laps while you shoot 1 out of 8 second handheld razor sharp. Nano USM so fast and silent, wildlife never flinches. 0.41 times magnification that lets you fill the frame with a butterfly's eye from under 3 feet away. Center sharpness that gets mistaken for L series in blind tests. Internal zoom that never extends or sucks dust. Customizable control ring you actually use every shoot. Weather sealing that survives real rain. And the quiet freedom of finally owning a lens you grab without thinking twice. Last week, golden hour, wind gusting, osprey diving, I pulled 1 out of 10 second tack sharp while laughing at physics. You feel it balance like an extension of your arm, zoom ring sliding like it's on bearings made of butter. And the one extender trick that pushes it to 800mm usable? Stay till the end. Hours saved not wrecking your body. Clarity from finally being ready instead of compromising. Keeper rate exploding. Galleries filling with shots that used to be daydreams. Top Photography magazine called it the irresistible gateway drug for wildlife shooters who actually leave the house. Pro shooter Alex went live from Yellowstone and admitted he never touched his 600mm f4 all week because this little lens never left his camera. Independent lab measured 6.3 stops of real-world stabilization on the R5 II, highest they've ever seen in this class. Elisa Wildclicks posted a hummingbird eye at 400mm from 2.9 feet that broke the internet. I stood right next to my friend Tom the first weekend he used it and watched his hit rate jump from 1 in 20 to 8 in 10 before lunch. The "but it's only f8" excuse is the funniest cope left in 2026 when modern sensors and 6-stop IS deliver cleaner files at ISO 6400 than film ever did, and you actually have the lens with you instead of in the trunk. The one question blowing up my DMs every single day? How the hell this thing does quasi-macro at 400mm and nobody believes the files until they shoot it themselves? Drop your current telephoto weight in the comments right now. Let's watch the heavy glass owners sweat. You felt that little jolt the moment I said 635 grams, right? That quiet click when you realize reach doesn't have to hurt anymore. Join the ones who stopped posing with big glass and started coming home with the shots instead. First link in description, pinned right at the top because I care about your neck more than you do right now. Go grab the Canon RF 100 to 400mm f5.6-8 IS USM before the next perfect moment punishes you for waiting. See you out there, light as hell and twice as deadly.